I grew her with her, I guess. I visit her every day whenever I'm sad or happy. When I have to share something I never share with anyone. I fell for her at my very first sight when I was randomly walking across the site. And since then, I never stopped coming to her, to adore her, to meet her, to greet her every single day. The way she smiles, the way the sun runs through her, I can never get tired of her, never think of losing her, never wish of forgetting her. Her beauty, her warmth, her love, her care, it's all I think about. It's all her I always want around. She meant everything to me without a doubt. Ever thought what would you do if you lose her? You can never guarantee a building. It can make or break anytime or can be broken.
Never ever think of that. I would never lose her.
You never know what the future holds.
We will see if she is in my destiny.
Okay, Mr. Poet, let's go have some lunch. It's getting late.
Hey, do I know you?
Who are you? I was just roaming around when I saw this monument. Are you a localite? Do you know anything about this monument? It's beautiful.
I am a regular visitor, and she means so much to me. But I never thought anyone would like her so much. Do you want to know about her?
It's a she? Sure. I could understand why you love her. I would love to be a guest to her beauty. I'm a local newspaper editor and a photographer. If you like, I could publish about her.
Wow, really? I'm really not sure I want to share her. But I would like her to meet someone new.
Don't worry, it seems she loves you as much as you do.
Well, there is a huge courtyard in the center which helps the wind to flow all along. The sides have large pillars with carvings which I think demonstrate the scenes of Mahabharata. The facade is this beautiful shade of brown and cream which overhangs so when you sit the sunlight does not burn your eyes. The sculpting is something I've never seen before.
I do hear you. It pleases your mind just to look at her. I think this will work. Would you mind me taking a picture of you too? Bye. See you at the newspaper.
Hey there, what are you doing?
Why do you care? We can do whatever we want. You don't own it.
Still, it's not ethical to destroy a tourist site.
Chill, it's just a monument. It's not your house. You seem quite attached.
It used to be mine, sort of. Hey, what's going on there?
A bunch of officials are here to look over the site as it rapidly gains the public attraction.
I see why this monument becomes so famous. It's actually pretty.
Let's take the samples and get done with it before it gets dark.
Does this mean no one could harm the site anymore?
Not yet. We are just here to take the surf. The monument does not come under the government protection until it's listed under the grade.
We'll study the condition of the building and understand the further notion. The decision will be made soon. Hope we get good of this beautiful monument.
Sahib, have a look at this beautiful jyoti. It is made up of jute and is hand woven by the locals.
I know, Chacha. I'm wearing the same. How's the business going?
By God's grace, the business is flourishing. It has never been this great for the 15 years of my work.
Yes, the monument has led to a generous increase in public. People not only gasp for its beauty, but also admire the culture heritage that we behold. The popularity of local materials and food led to an instant increase in our business. We earned tenfold of what we did.
No more pages? What happened to the building? What I am even reading? But dad didn't add anything. Oh, this is frustrating. What kind of love story with no ending, dad? Is he still there? Did government actually tear it down?
She was torn down a year later. The government said it cannot be renovated anymore due to huge structural damage. The place gradually developed into the smart city, and a huge children park lies in the tomb of the monument. I have no reason to be mad. There are children playing around in her warmth.
Does building really hold so much importance? I never knew you had this kind of story. Is it true, dad?
I miss her every day. Do you know what an architect mostly struggles in achieving? A place that creates sense of belongingness. It was never my plan to fall for her. Never must had the creator thought that someone would love what he created so much. I believe it happens to everyone, and I hope it would happen to you too.
Is that the reason you became an architect? Would I find something so beautiful as you did?
Haha, sure. Until then, keep my diary. Maybe someday you will come across something and feel the urge to write about it.